Hello all, this is Universal Group of Institutions Bangalore. I'm Kushi Shetty here with the latest news. Today we are rather focusing on one of the syllabus topics in terms of UPSC. So recently we've had our elections going on, right? So let's dig into the topic of elections, and this is really helpful for your GS paper 2. Navigating the path of one nation, one election. So GS paper 2 generally covers elections in India, its related reforms, Election Commission of India and things like this. So what is the main focus in our episode here? The proposal of one nation, one election has garnered attention, sparking debates about its implications when it comes to national unity as well as regional loyalties. India's democratic landscape has been shaped by diverse linguistic tapestry as well as regional pride, where elections serve as pillars supporting citizen engagement as well as democratic participation. The proposal of one nation, one election has definitely garnered attention. It has definitely spoken, all the implications on national unity as well as regional loyalties. The idea of synchronizing elections across different levels of government is not new at all, right? As far back as September 1982, the Election Commission of India recommended simultaneous elections, both to Lok Sabha as well as to the state legislative assemblies. The recent embrace of one nation, one election by the ruling party has definitely raised questions about the underlying motivations and the potential implications, particularly ahead of the 2024 general elections. About the Election Commission of India, it is an independent constitutional body tasked with running the union as well as the state electoral system. It was founded on Jan 25, 1950, National Voters' Day, in compliance with the Constitution. Elections to the state legislative assemblies, Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, as well as Indian presidential as well as vice presidential posts, both have been managed by this particular body. So electoral expenditure has definitely got some sort of an economic impact. There are also implications when it comes to federalism, regional dynamics, as well as debate, the perspectives that you can see, the accountability, democratic principles, grassroots consensus, socio-political fabric. Ultimately, the concept of one nation, one election is giving both opportunities at the same time challenges, right? Anything good has to be preceded with something bad happening. So yeah, you definitely have challenges, but at the same time that challenge is also acting like an opportunity for India's democracy. While it has the potential to streamline governance processes as well as reduce electoral expenditure, it also raises concerns about federalism, regional dynamics as well as accountability. So about all these topics individually, also we have a detailed description present on our website. Kindly click on the link that's present down below. Thank you.